Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Performance Machine PM Clutch actuator installation. Okay, all the installation instructions are here, and here's the actual end cap off your tranny with your gearbox. This particular one is 6-speed black ops, as they call it. That means everything's black. Very cool bit of solid billet CNC machining, not die cast like most of them are. Okay, so very strong, beautiful P&M quality as usual. See, all this is CNC black ops, also available in chrome or contrast cut. Contrast cut, basically you would have this sort of thing going on where you've got the bare alley there, chrome or whatever you like. Okay, very simple to fit. Basically take the end off, put the new one on, put your cable back in, and away you go. We also do the hydraulic conversions. If you're interested in converting your Harley or some of the jack bikes as well to hydraulic clutch, just a matter of fitting a master cylinder and a different end thing and a hose. Give us a bell at 01773835666, alternatively at www.customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. A lot of good bargains on there. Thank you.